we're going to be reading The Recess Queen today by Alexis O'Neill and Laura Holsika Baith. Okay. Look at the cover. Let's take a look at the cover. The Recess Queen. We're going to particularly be paying close attention to the illustrations today. Okay. Mean Jean was Recess Queen, and nobody said any different. Nobody swung until Mean Jean swung. Nobody kicked until Mean Jean kicked. Nobody bounced until Mean Jean bounced. You make a mean face. If kids crossed her, she'd punch them and smash them. Look at that. Punch them and smash them. Lollapalash them. Hammer them, slammer them. Kits and kajammer them. Oh, look at that. Say what? Mean Jean growled. Say who? Mean Jean howled. Say you. Just who do you think you're talking to? Mean Jean always got her way. Until one day... A new kid came to school. Katie Sue, a teeny kid, a tiny kid. A kid you might scare with a jump and a boo. Uh-oh, look what she's thinking. Okay, there's that new kid in front of the class. Okay. She is pretty tiny, isn't she? Right. But when the recess bell rang, went ringity ring, this kid ran zingity zing for the playground gate. Katie Sue swung before Mean Jean swung. Katie Sue kicked before Mean Jean kicked. Katie Sue bounced before Mean Jean bounced. The kid you might scare with a jump and a boo was too new to know about Mean Jean, the Recess Queen. She's having fun out there, isn't she? Looks like fun. Okay. Well. Mean Jean bullied through the playground crowd like always. She pushed kids and smooshed kids, lollipalooshed kids, hammered him, slammered him, kids and clambered him, and as she charged after that Katie Sue, oh, what's going to happen to poor little Katie Sue? Look at the other kids. Not good, huh? Look at the other kids. That kid's glasses are right there. She figured wrong. Katie Sue talked back just as sassy as could be. She said, "How did you get so bossy?" Then that puny thing, that loony thing, grabbed the ball and bounced away. Only Katie Sue was one quick kid. She bolted quite quick as lightning, bouncity, bouncity, bounce, kickity, kick, kick. Swingity, swingity, swing. Look how happy she is. Ooh, well, she's not happy. Look at that picture. She actually has steam coming out of her ears. Bouncity, kickity, swingity. Mean Jean thundered close behind. The Recess Queen was not amused. She raced and chased and in your face, that Katie Sue. In your face. No one spoke. No one moved. no one breathed. They're wondering what's going to happen. Then, from her pack pulled Katy Sue a jump rope, clean and bright. "Hey, Jeannie Beanie," sang Katy Sue. "Let's try this jump rope out. Here's one thing true. Until that day, no one dared ask Mean Jean to play." But that Katy Sue just she just hopped and jumped and skipped away. "I like ice cream, I like tea, I want Jean to jump with me." Oh, so what did she really want? Look at that. "I like ice cream, I like tea, I want Jean to jump with me." Look at her little face. It's changed, isn't it? Jean just gasped, gaped, and stared as if too scared to move at all. Look how happy she is. So Katy Sue sang once more, "I like popcorn, I like tea, I want Jean to jump with me." Come on, come on. Sing it with me. "I like popcorn, I like tea, I want Jean to jump with me." Then from the side a kid called out, "Go, Jean, go!" And too surprised to even shout, Jean jumped in with Katy Sue. "I like cookies, I like tea, I want you to jump with me." Oh, that's fun. They're jumping together. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Look, the sun's out. It's happier. The rope whizzed and slapped faster and faster, faster. The rope spun and flapped faster, faster, till it caught in a tangled disaster. But they just giggled and jumped again. They look like two silly girls having fun, don't they? Well, now, when recess rolls around, that playground is one great place. At the school bells ringety-ring, those two girls race zingety-zing out the classroom door. Jean doesn't push kids and smoosh kids and lollapaloosh kids, hammer 'em, slammer 'em, kids and jammer 'em, 'cause she's having too much fun. Romping with her friends. Her friends. Look at all those kids now. It's not just Sue. Look at that. One person did that. Bouncity, kickity, swingity, hippity, skippity, jumpity, ringity, zingity, yes. Ooh, that was a good story. The Recess Queen. She really did. Look at that face at the beginning and think about who she met and how things change in the story. Did you like it? I like the singing. I like the jumping rope songs.